Hello friend, welcome again to my channel. So now in this tutorial we would look to how to build a website using Bootstrap. So previously we have learned how to make a website using pure CSS, but now in this one we would learn how to use Bootstrap. So let me just give you the demo of our website which we are gonna make here. So this is the one, and the advantage of using Bootstrap is that your website remains responsive on any of the devices. You don't need to write separate media queries for CSS here, and also here you have built-in classes using which you can directly get the design. So yeah, so starting here I have designed a nav bar, and here we have a carousel, and this images which I have retrieved, it's using an API which you would see in the videos, and here I have put dummy contents, and as you can see also dummy numbers here. But you guys might have seen many websites have designed something like similar to this, where you display statistical data, and also I have displayed the key features. So also this tutorial focuses on teaching Bootstrap, not on the content which we are going to write. So after going through this series, you would be able to figure out how to make a design. That's my guarantee. And the content you can put according to your own requirement. And here you can see the about us section, where you can put the images and the contact details of maybe the CEO of the company of which this website is about, or CFO, and etc. So you can design many fragments similar to this one, but as this one is a simple tutorial, so we have only done this much part, and this is the contact us fragment. So here you can see that I have given the location of Mirzapur. You can give your actual location of your company, and here is the final footer which I have designed. So thanks for watching this video, and let's just directly dive into coding.